Use Napa Cabbage, beef, and I improvise it a bit by adding Hotpot spam and bacon. Use the Napa Cabbage. And then with Bok Choy, slice it thinly like this. 1, 2, 3. And then the next layer. Okay. And then the next layer will be bacon. Okay. The third layer, the Bok Choy. I use tri-tip, but you can use the Hotpot beef, whereby they slice it very thinly at the grocery store. Dash it with a bit of pepper and salt to season and spread it like that. Next layer. This is the last one. Divide some 1, 2. Put it nicely. I will remove the stick layer. Rearrange them like in a circle. Add with now it's a stock. So I use water. It's about 1 liter. And the Korean soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. And I like to add in the chicken stock. This is the final one. So you can add Chinese butter mushroom. Put it in the middle. And remember to add the green onion. When you pour the stock, don't make it full because the vegetables will give out water. Don't fill it up to the max, just enough to cover at least half of it. And then we can start doing our hotpot. Oh, look at this, the whole chunk of it. So good. Good? I like it.
Pretty good.
Pretty good, huh?
Can you still?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.